Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of smart cleaning with the robot vacuum and mop combo. A 2-in-1 powerhouse designed to tackle pet hair, hard floors, and carpets with its impressive 2,500 pascal strong suction and tangle-free design. This innovative device combines sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping in one sleek unit, featuring a slimmer body height that easily slides under furniture for comprehensive cleaning. Say goodbye to tangled hair, as the central brush has been removed, allowing the suction entrance to hug the floor closely for optimal performance, while its intelligent obstacle avoidance system ensures it navigates around walls and stairs effortlessly. Control is at your fingertips with dual options, traditional remote or smart app control, and you can even voice activate it through Alexa or Google Assistant for hands-free convenience. With 6 versatile cleaning modes, including Auto, Edge, and Spot, you can customize your cleaning plan to suit any need, while the long-lasting battery covers up to 1,200 square feet on a single charge and automatically returns to its docking station when power is low. Backed by a 24-month worry-free brand warranty, this robot vacuum is not just a cleaning tool but a thoughtful gift for family and friends, making everyday life a little easier.